Now, Kenya is moving to unlock more long-term capital for key sectors of the economy as the Kenya Development Corporation pushes for a dedicated regulatory framework for development finance institutions. Speaking in a breakfast meeting, stakeholders noted that the reforms aim to strengthen governance and unlock greater institutional investment into priority areas such as industrialization, agriculture, housing, and infrastructure. The move is expected to boost economic transformation by expanding access to affordable financing needed to drive jobs and exports.
There's not enough money that's going to come from the treasury, from the budget, to fund the kind of development, industrialization that Kenya needs. But there's enough money in the markets. So you need these pillars to really provide that credibility that markets need for you to be able to attract the capital that is needed to fund that development agenda.
DFIs exist to intervene where markets alone are unable to sufficiently support long-term national priorities. They provide financing where risks are high, capital tenors are long, returns may take time to materialize, and broader economic benefits extend beyond immediate commitment. So in many respects, DFIs finance the future before actually the markets.
I agree, and I support regulation of DFIs. However, a caveat that we cannot regulate DFIs in the same way as commercial banks. Because after all, the very purpose of DFIs is to do things that commercial banks cannot do. So we cannot regulate them using the same mindset or the same toolbox. And by the way, we did, some years ago, some of our DFIs were encouraged to begin taking deposits, and they soon found they could not be DFIs by taking, short-term deposits as the way they mobilized capital.
Now, the gemstone trade business across the East African region through the Voi Gemstone Value Addition